Who are you playing with, Ben? Who are you playing with? Who's playing with you right now?
No.
Ben, you want to play or no? Whoa.
Is that Timmy, Ben?
Yeah.
Say Timmy. Do you?
Whoa.
Who's your favorite person? Timmy?
Percy.
Jump, Ben.
You like these trains? I think let's stop playing with the trains, okay? We're gonna stop playing, alright? Here, we'll stop. Here, let's go in the other room. Ben, we'll go in the other room, okay? You don't mind if we go in the other room. We're gonna just go next door.
Oh, Timmy, say Timmy, play.
Oh, Ben, we'll keep playing. Say hi, Anna.
Hi.
You want to say hi to Anna?
Say hi, Anna.
Say hi.
Say hi.